All right, guys, you're ever wondering this ultimate debate that we've had forever and a day of what's better to invest in, stocks versus real estate. Well, let's go through the numbers and I'll let you make that decision. But one word I want you to remember is the word leverage. Okay, so let's go through it. So let's say you got 600 grand you want to invest. Okay, and you're not really sure in what direction you want to go. You got a tip from one of your friends or uncles says, hey, this stock is great. Once you invested in this. So let's just say you did ABC stock. All right, so you invest your 600,000 into that stock. Now remember, 600,000 is up for risk, right? That 600 grand could go to zero. Okay, just be aware of that. But you're expecting a 10% return. Okay, that 10% return will give you $60,000. So let's say 10%, 60 grand. You're happy with that. Now let's see what it looks like on the real estate side. Same investment. You're going to buy a $600,000 property. Okay, but you're only coming in with 10% of that 600,000 because we're using leverage. We're using a mortgage to make that happen. You're going to get a 5% return, even though it's lower than the stock, but you're only risking 10% of that 600,000 that you had. Plus, there's other benefits of owning real estate outside of the IRS and leveraging in that way. So your return was actually 30,000 over that same period of time you had the stock that you were considering buying, which equals a 50% return on your 10% investment of 60,000, and you still got the other 540,000 that you could do as you wish. So the point being is, you got to understand that leveraging other people's money is how you make money, and leveraging other people's money gives you the opportunity to have less of your money out there for risk. So in general, just remember, try to leverage as much as you can. You could do that in the stock market as well, but it gets a little bit more complicated. But in general, real estate will always be something that's sustainable. The stock market has its ups and downs, and I invest in the stock market myself, so I know the feeling. But in general, if you were to ask me what's a better investment, stocks or real estate, I will always go with the real estate side, just to the fact that we actually have something tangible in our possession, and we could always make money off of that real estate asset that we have. All right, later.